2019 is upon us, and you may want to attract more money, bring more abundance into your life. And I want to share with you the number one thing that allowed me in 2018, in the last 12 months, to attract more money in 1 year than I made in my entire life combined. And it sounds crazy, but this one thing opens up your subconscious mind so that success and abundance and financial opportunities can come to you more easily. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video.
If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video.
So I grew up with the idea that someone's success meant someone else was losing. Like, who am I to have any money and have freedom in life to do or have or be what I want if someone in Africa is starving? I mean, if I get money, then I'm taking it from somebody else, and, you know, the world would just be easier if we didn't have to deal with money. If you believe that your wealth is someone else's poverty, you will never have money. The reason is because the subconscious impression that you're sending is this idea of, if I get, they lose. And in our moral compass, that's wrong. So subconsciously you say, if I get money, I'm gonna take away from other people. So the subconscious says, okay, let me make sure you don't have very much money so you never run into that issue of being the type of person that's greedy and taking from other people, and you should live super meek and meager because someone in India or Sri Lanka or in New York City doesn't have the same money that you have or the same opportunity. Nothing could be further than the truth. In fact, the more money you have, the more you create opportunities for other people to have money. So if you have enough money to get a massage therapist, you are employing other people. Think about it. Then that massage therapist gets the money, they can pay their rent more easily. Maybe they were really stressed and you just gave them an opportunity, and now they're not because they have some more money coming in. It allows them to buy the thing for their child that their child needs. And where does that lead? It's this splintering effect that goes all the way down the financial ecosystem. The more money you have and the more you allow it to circulate, the more you actually help the world. You help it. You know, just recently when I didn't have money, so just recently my people in my family came out and visited my new house. They got to, you know, stay right here on the water and have an epic vacation. So I was able to offer that because of having money that allowed me to afford this place and have them come and not have to go pay for a hotel and whatever else. That allowed me that opportunity. When someone that you know can't afford their medical bills and you can spare an extra $500 or $2,000 or $4,000, you're making the world a better place. So in fact, you having money will create more prosperity in the world. See, that belief system is what will allow you to attract it. The reason people often don't attract money isn't because they don't work hard enough. It's not because they're somehow not good enough or smart enough or there isn't enough money out there. The reason that people don't attract money is subconsciously they're blocking it. And so I'm inviting you to really look at this rationally. You will make the world a better place by having more money. Therefore, it's your moral responsibility to have more money and more financial freedom. You can pay for the mom that has to take her kid all through 3 different buses to get through the city to get them to school in the morning because she can't afford a car. You could buy them a car. Look at it super rationally. You make the world a better place by having money, and money makes you more of what you are anyways. Money doesn't make you this, it makes you more of what you are. If you are a generous person and you have more energy, you're going to offer more of that energy. If you're a generous person and you have more energy, you're going to offer more of that energy. So comment down below, money is just energy. Comment down below, money is just energy. And if that's hard to grasp, download and use my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And start using that. It's free every day to rewire your subconscious. That's what I had to do because I honestly believe that somehow I was a bad person. If I set a financial goal, or I wanted financial freedom, or I had more money in my life, or if I got money from, let's say, like when I used to do a lot of coaching, if I got money from someone and it was a stretch financially for them, I was somehow a bad person. In fact, it's the exact opposite. We were both able to meet on levels and go to the next level. If I have something valuable for you or you have something valuable for me and we exchange energy for it, that makes the world a better place. But I had this idea that it was the opposite, and I didn't realize that money makes you more of what you are. If you're greedy and you're insecure, when you get money, you're going to be greedy and insecure. But you're still going to be greedy and insecure when you don't have money. It's just going to project itself in different ways because you have a different amount of energy to express yourself in your life. In this instance, you have less energy to express yourself. So in fact, you might even be more greedy and insecure because you don't have any of it. So it's just making you more of what you are, and you're going to make the world a better place by having it. You can go fund a new school. You can get good health insurance so someone in your family doesn't have to worry anymore. You can employ people. See, like, I get to employ people with my business. So I used to think that somehow having money would be better. Now I get to help people leave jobs that they don't want to be in and get employed at something that makes them feel good and fulfilled. They're helping people. They're making the world a better place. So you being in the world of commerce will make the world a better place. So what I'm inviting you to do is to decide in 2019 that you are going to get rich. Make a decision. Most people never decide because they don't think it's possible or they think it's bad. It will be bad. I will be a bad person. I will be a greedy person if I have it. So then they don't decide to have it. They wish they had it. They fantasize about the fact that it'd be nice if they'd have it, but they don't decide. Make a decision right now that you are worthy of having money, that you are going to be that generous, fantastic, amazing human being. You're going to be able to take someone on a vacation. You're going to be able to buy a new basketball hoop for the local community center or help your friend with their medical bills that they can't afford. You're going to be excited, happy. You're going to help, but you're going to buy someone nice groceries or you're going to do something great. And you're just going to enjoy the fact that you have more abundance and freedom in your life. Make the decision that money will come to you, that it's good, that you have a right to have it, that you have a right, as Wallace Waddle says, to be rich. And the more rich you become, the more you're going to continue to serve the world in a powerful way. So comment down below, I have a right to be rich. Comment down below, I have a right to be rich, and make a decision that you're going to attract money because it's good, because it's right. And a lot of people say, yeah, it'd be nice if I have it. But then subconsciously, they believe that if they get it, someone else is going to lose. Or if they get it, somehow they're greedy. Or if they get it, somehow they're bad. Or if they get it, somehow they shouldn't really want it in the first place. And you should just be happy with what you have. Yes, you should be grateful and happy for what you have because one, it allows you to experience more life when you're grateful with where you're at rather than resisting it. But two, we should never settle, especially when we're individualizations of God and we're these many little powerful beings cruising through planet Earth and we're only here for a little while. And if you want to go live in Spain for a while, then you should be able to go live in Spain. And if you want a house in Argentina, you should be able to get a house in Argentina. And if you want a Tesla, you should get a Tesla. And if you want to be able to start your own school that helps underprivileged children, you should be able to do that. But you need money to do it. So make a decision. It's right. It's good. You're going to make the world a better place because money just simply makes you more of what you already are. So comment down below, money makes you more of what you already are. And go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Please, I'd love to know. Comment down your biggest takeaway from this video. Please comment down your biggest takeaway from this video right here down below. And what I'm gonna do is comment down your biggest takeaway from this video. I'm gonna read them through and pick one person, and I'm gonna give you one of my courses for free, one of my online courses. So if you comment down below one takeaway you learned, I'll read them back through, and then on one of them that I like just really speaks to me, I'll comment in the email for you to write our team so you can get one of my courses for free. So yeah, I'm excited to read them. 2019 is your year. Affirm. Money comes to me quickly and easily. I have a right to be rich. I'm going to do more good with money. I'm going to make the world a better place. So have a beautiful day. If you haven't yet, make sure that you download my free success hypnosis and start using that every single day to start rewiring your mind so you can attract more prosperity in your life. It's all in your subconscious and rewiring it. So right there down below, it's jakeshypnosis.com for free. Right there down below. Hashtag down below, I am blessed. Share the biggest takeaway from this video for you and how it impacts your life and how you can implement it moving forward. One of you, I can't wait to hear them, and one of you, I'm going to give you one of my courses for free. So have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you later.